on the day of the event. You were checking all the arrangements, and just then Jimin entered. He wore a dashing black suit, looking handsome as ever. He looked at you from the distance and said hi to you. You waved back at him. Despite being married, you couldn't stop yourself from admiring him. After the official event got over, it was time for the buffet. Jimin walked up to you. Hi. Oh, hi. You were great up there. Nice speech. Oh, you heard? Yeah, the whole of it. Oops. By the way, you look great. Thank you. He looks down and says, white has always been your color. It looks best on you. You blushed at the thought of him remembering it from the past. White has always been your favorite color, and each time you wore white in college, Jimin liked it and praised you. Oh, I forgot. I also need to thank you for helping me the other day. It's totally fine. Not a problem at all. Where is your husband, by the way? Wouldn't you introduce us? He must be here somewhere. I'll look for him shortly once the buffet is served to everyone. Alright, I'll let you carry on with your work. I'll also catch up on some business partners. Sure, see you. After some time, there came a sound of few crockeries breaking, and it turned a few heads. Everyone noticed a drunk guy creating a scene at the party and was terribly yelling at you. Jimin quickly walked up to you and stopped him. Hey you, what's the matter? Why are you yelling? Do I need your permission? Are you going to teach me how to talk to my wife? Jimin got shocked to find out that such an ill-behaved, insensitive man was your husband. He looked at you with widened eyes and didn't know what to say further. The man fell on the floor. You were on the verge of crying out of embarrassment. You tried to somehow make him get up. I'm sorry for the trouble, everyone. He's not usually this drunk. Today I think he drank a bit too much. I'm very sorry on his behalf. Everyone murmured and left from there. Mr. Lee came up to you in anger. Everyone was right. I shouldn't have hired you in the first place. You are such an embarrassment to the whole company. Take your drunken husband and get lost from here right away. Jimin was still in shock as to why you lied to him about the true character of your husband. On seeing you struggle with managing your drunken husband, he lent a helping hand. I'm really sorry about all this. Hey, it's okay. It's not your fault. Wait, let's make him sit somewhere first. You aren't going to be able to take him home in this condition. You both made him sit on one of the chairs. Since he was really drunk, he passed out soon. Joe, take my car keys and drop this man home. He could see that you were almost shivering with embarrassment and weeping. Joe, first get some water for Miss Ryan and then drop him home. Joe left to get the water. I'm sorry I lied to you about him. Can I ask you why? Leaving you was my biggest mistake. After a few weeks of getting married, I realized he has a severe drinking and smoking problem and also is unemployed. What? Why didn't you leave him then? What else could have I done? Why didn't you tell me all this? I wanted to reach out many times, but then I came to know that you have become a really big successful businessman now. And I thought if I reached out, you might think it's because of your position. What? Don't you know me at all? You very well know that I'm not like that. I know, but I was so ashamed to face you, since I was the one who broke up with you. Yeah, so? Because you were embarrassed to return to me, you continued living with this kind of a man? You started weeping. Joe came and handed over the glass of water to Jimin, after which he picked up your husband and took him to the car. Jimin then made you sit on one of the chairs. He gave you the glass and you sipped from it. Jimin sat on his knees while you sat on the chair and he wiped your tears. You don't deserve to live with a man who doesn't even realize how lucky he is to have you in his life. You need someone who values you, cares for you, and considers himself fortunate to be waking up by your side every single morning. You looked into his eyes. You could see his eyes were full of love for you. You had seen that before, and you recognized it. Come with me, be mine. What? No, Jimin, I can't. Why not? What will everyone think? I left your hand years ago when you were nothing. Now if I get back to you, people might think I'm with you because of your success. He held your hands and kissed them. Why do you care about what the world will think when I'm there with you? You left me earlier when I was nobody, and now you're leaving me again because I have become somebody? This is not even fair. You can't do that to me twice. You looked at him with love, seeing him convincing you to get back together. Jimin, you're really sweet to do all this. It's very kind of you, but it would be selfish of me to accept it. He took your face in his hands. When I proposed to you in college, I was a nerd. No one even liked talking to me. You were the one who made me your friend. You were my first ever girlfriend. And I remember how everyone made fun of you for choosing me, but you still stood by me. You left me not because I was not successful. You left me because you needed commitment, and I was not willing to give you at that time. You have no idea how much I regretted the decision of letting you go in all these years. I missed you every single day. I'm not doing you a favor by marrying you. You will do me a favor by marrying me. Please say yes and give me another chance to bring back your lost smile from all the past years. You smiled a bit while wiping your tears. He brought his face close to yours and both of your eyes went shut for a few seconds. It was an intense moment with so many emotions flashing back from the past. He came a little forward and his lips met yours. You didn't hold back and kissed him hesitantly. It was after ages someone kissed you like they meant it. You were amazed by the fact that he still kissed you the same way as he kissed you all those years ago. His lips felt soft and warm. He made you comfortable, and you kissed him back with the same old passion all over again.